Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Follow this journey as I train my two sons the plumbing trade. Gonna be a long journey, but well worth it because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. And for today's adventure, we have a clogged toilet. Let's check it out. We'll see when we get to the job. Well, the toilet was a no-go, but we're going to start off by saying thank you for 20,000 strong. I think I'm going on 3 years now, plugging along with this YouTube channel. It's killer. And I'm having fun. We're very busy. The vids have kind of dropped off a little bit. Well, I was doing 3-4 a week. Now I'm down to 1-2 a week. And my plan to be out of the truck and really doing vids and teaching has not worked out this summer, fall. Because my plan in June was to be out of the truck by August, solely focusing on the business, enable myself to really just teach on certain jobs. And it hasn't happened that way. I've been really busy. What I want to ask is, what do you guys want me to do moving forward? I know we're going to keep doing videos and maybe some Q&As. I know I talked about it before. That was one of my big time goals, was to have a Q&A maybe once a week, especially during COVID. But I'll be honest with you, since COVID hit, our work is off the charts. I cannot complain at all. So that did not work out either, but that's still in the planning stages, because plumbing ain't going nowhere. We're trying to fine-tune my time and use it wisely. Right now, I got to focus on the business, the trucks, and freeing up my time so I could do more videos. But it's coming. And I got a lot of great followers out there. You guys are awesome, and I got my regulars, and we have fun. I try to answer, and I believe I have. Every first time, and this is the person I am. Every first time, how am I going to say this? Every first time comment, I get a notification, and I've actually slacked off the last month because I've been so busy. But every first time comment I respond to. So I have a list that comes up on one of my filters where I see the first time comments. Now I can't respond to every response. It just ain't going to happen. And I personally do answer them. So it's actually fun, and I got some good people around the world, which is really wild to say in today's age, and it's so common now. So. But we're pushing forward. We're going to push forward. Now my new goal is 100K, and I'm in no rush. So we're going to keep building, keep plugging along, block by block. We're going to get it done. I'm running a service business, and like today, just to change it up a smidge, a toilet. The guy calls up, complains about a toilet clogged. I'm on a 3-way with the manager of the property. It's a tenant situation. I go down there. No one answers the door. I mean, this is the good and the bad, the good, bad, and ugly of service. A great plan did not work out. So it's all good because, to be honest with you, I have another appointment at 11, and I really want to say, hey, thank you to everyone for the 20K. Keep moving forward. And CB2 and Angelo, keep pushing. All right, guys, have a great weekend, and thanks for everything, and we'll see you at the next one.